So today we will be studying regarding search advertising. We have seen what is SEO, search engine optimization. We saw regarding the search engine friendly websites. Then we saw the key phrases, link popularity, user sites. Okay, then we saw regarding the content marketing, what exactly it is, and what are the key terms and how it is important one. Okay, and what challenges we face in content creation. Now, today we will be studying regarding search advertising. Okay, so let's start it. What it is. So in the internet marketing, search advertising is a method of placing online advertisement on web pages that show results from search engine queries. So whenever I search something like hotels in Bijapur, if any paid is there, then it will appear at the top. Okay, which will be mentioned with the ad. Okay, so here we are paying for advertisement, and our advertisement will appear at the top. Through the same search engine advertising services, ads can also be placed on web pages with other published content. So you can place your advertisement different websites. There it will appear. Depends on the paying and the location which you have been set. So somebody click it, then it will become PPC, that is pay per click. Okay. So search advertising, also known as paid search advertising, Google advertising, and search engine marketing also. So when Bing is there, Google is there, earlier Yahoo was there. So whenever you search on those search engine websites, whatever appears at the top, which with the AD advertisement, so those all fall under search advertising. They are paid advertising. Okay, and this is one of the best marketing techniques which is used, and all advertisement in search engine results. Businesses who place ads in the search results pay a small fee every time somebody clicks on their ads. Yes, you have to pay. That what I discussed in last classes. That is pay per click, PPC we say 0.22 paisa, depends on the range. Okay, more the population, less the charges, but you have to pay more for it. And this is typically an example which when you search something advertising agencies, so there you will find this depends on the location where you are. And this is in not in Bijapur location. The whatever you are looking at green color, AD. So those are all paid advertisement, top three. And why the Joe Walls is high? Because it is very popular and paid less also. Quality data is also available. That's why it is at the top. Okay, then comes the second and third. So in Google search results, sponsored entries are typically displayed as the top few results, and some are also displayed at the bottom of the pages. That you can check. You have already gone through this. It depends. Okay, whenever you do Google search, you will get this. Currently, Google is marking paid search results with a small green ad. Okay, that is AD symbol next to them, letting you know they are not organic. So the below whatever wherever there is no not mentioned AD, so those all are paid one. And wherever the AD is not mentioned, so those are all the organic one. Okay. So some of Google's previous implementations of sponsored results included different backgrounds. Earlier it was yellow, blue, and yellow colored ad icons. We'll see it. Okay. So next is how search ads works exactly. Okay. The actual mechanics behind search ads are similar across most of the popular search engines. Okay, with some slight differences. As Google is the most popular search engine, everyone go for it. We'll use it as the example and explain how it works at work. Okay, Google uses modified second price auction system. Okay, so Google is one of the highly used search engine. Okay, in the world itself, we cannot say in here. In the world, Google is the highest uh, used search engine. Okay, and if we continue with the Google, you might have seen the Google ads I discussed you in the classes. Okay, and I can't tell that you have studied digital marketing certification, and there you have studied this because you all have almost you have copied the main part. You have all skipped the videos. You have not seen, then you cannot understand this part. Just for marks, you have completed your certifications. So SERP. What is SERP? It is search engine result page. Okay. So when ads comes, they rank on those part, okay, especially on the result page, and determine the cost advertiser have to pay to appear on the top of the result page. Depends on money. This is called bid quality, format impact, and ad ranking. So first, if you see, it's just bidding for $2, but because of the quality is high and format impact is high, the ad rank is 20. And the second, if you see, if they are paying $3, quality is high, format impact is high. That's why the ad rank is 15. Then comes the $1, medium. That's why the ranking is 8. And fourth one, bidding price is $4, very low quality, no formats available. That's why ranking 5. So that money is doesn't matter here. It's matters so most with the money is bidding. With bidding is the quality and the format impact. If those two things are very high, then automatically your search appears at the top. So, however, the system isn't based just on bidding. Okay. If Google only sold its ad to the highest bidder, then the SERP would be littered with poor quality paid ads linking to complete irrelevant landing pages. So that's why search engine result pages always not only look for the price, they also look for the quality formats, sorry, quality and the format impact. Whichever high that appears the first, not only who paid high. This would compromise the reliability of the search engine. So that's why they go for the quality. To improve the experience for both users and advertisers, Google also takes into account an advertiser's ad rank, how much it is. Now, what is ad rank? Ad rank is the page rank equivalent for search ads in Google. Okay. It is an algorithm used to determine how highly ads rank in the sponsored results and how much the advertisers has to pay when an internet users click the ad. Okay, that is all ad rank. How much time it is clicked and how much they have paid also. Google has always been upfront about what advertisers should do to increase their ad rank and position higher in paid search. They use the algorithm, they use the metrics. Conversely, high positioning in organic search, the good old page rank, has always been the holy grail of online advertising, and algorithms governing it, unlike ad rank, still seem obscure and dynamically changing. So, because of the whole visit is high, wherever people have landed it, they feel the quality is good. And also, the matter thing is the format impact, then automatically it will lead to the ranking system. Now, the ad rank formula that governs the appearance of ad consists of the following things. Ad rank formula that governs the appearance of ad consists of first is expected click-through rate. Okay, we call it as CTR, click-through rate. So Google's estimation of how likely it is the ad will be clicked. Okay, this much like a self-learning system, Google knows the click-through rate of all ads it displays with the analytics. So users upvote ads with their clicks. Consequently, Google shows more what they like and estimate the rates for all future ads. You put some keywords on a search engine and the results appear. If you click the relevant thing, so automatically the ranking starts getting increased. Landing page experience. Unsurprisingly, highly relevant landing pages get a high rank ad rank score. Yes, you're searching for a hotel in Goa. So the result should come the Goa hotels. Okay, obviously you will click it. So ranking starts getting increased. So this involves relevant and original content, easy navigation and transparency. Now comes the ad relevance. Google analyzes the content of each ad to determine how well it relates to the query, the relevance we call. Okay, so this ensure that only the useful ads are shown, which are not useful, that will be removed even if you bid for it. The quality and the format will not suit it, so they will not go for it. They always look into the ad relevance. Next is the ad formats. So Google also takes into account the expected impact of specific ad formats. Okay, enhancement to search ad format with additional information. Okay, that is nothing but content. Apart from the link to the website, ads may contain valuable extension with structured data. Okay, extra information like rating, see image below, prices, directions where you can come, and phone numbers also. So these all information also comes as an ad formats, which increase your ad rank. Okay. So this is regarding today's class. If you have any doubt related to this, you can